Hello there, this is my Bunkbed control unit, and this is the demo of it as I'm still getting the enclosure together and getting the final pieces of polish together to get it ready for submission. But I wanted to put it through and show how it works at the moment. So as you see here, I have two relays, the DFRobot offline voice recognition module, and a light strip currently attached. I have it set up to contain it for two light strips, but currently I only have one set up for my demo. Now to show it being turned on, you can see the relays all turned off and off. And this flickering that you saw here, I don't see in real life. Well, I suppose this is all real life, but in actual person, I do not see it flickering. It's only flickering because of the display refresh rate in regards to the video recording once I turn on the light, and it affects the clock speeds, I guess. And as you see, a single tap can change the colors of these LEDs on the LED strip. I can change the page I want by clicking either left or right to cycle back and forth. Hello, robot.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn off the light.
Okay.
As you can see, I can turn on the light
Okay.
to turn it back on. And in addition to that, I have several of the sensors on board in the logic being used at the moment. I have the gyroscope detecting touches to detect it, so if someone comes from the side. I have
I'm off now.
the distance sensor detecting distance to trigger it when someone gets close. And what I forgot to mention there is I have the screen turning off after a period of time. So this allows it to turn back on when you get close or when you touch it. In addition to that, I have the onboard LED reflecting the colors when you're on a specific one. So for example, it's hard to see because of the lighting, but let me go back to Noah's. If I change the color, you can see it reflects the same color here. And I did that so if the girls are up, if they have their lights up in their bed and they can't see it from the ground, they can still see what color is being selected here. And they can change the color by, hello, robot. Hello, robot. Hello, robot.
Yes, I'm here.
Set to red.
Okay.
And as you see, it changes the color to red. And I just wanted to show that. In addition, I'll be showing the back side of this. One sec, let me unplug it. And showing how it's all connected here. And you can go to my other video to see the full connection details. But I have additional headers here for the ground and the 12 volts. And here's a wire here I connected. Thank you.